Stop right there. Before you take that first sip of coffee on an empty stomach, you need to know what it is actually doing to your hormones. If the very first thing you do when you wake up is reach for a cup of coffee, you are not waking your body up. You are shocking it into a state of panic. I know. It is a ritual. It smells great. It helps clear the brain fog. But physiologically, you are setting yourself up for an afternoon crash, anxiety, and long-term gut inflammation. I analyzed the latest data from endocrinology journals, and the results are clear. In this video, I will show you exactly what caffeine does to your cortisol levels, and the simple 90-minute protocol you need to follow to fix your energy levels permanently. Let's look at the data. When you wake up, your body undergoes a natural process called the Cortisol Awakening Response. Think of cortisol not just as a stress hormone, but as your body's natural alarm clock. Between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m., your cortisol naturally spikes to wake up your brain. When you introduce caffeine right at this peak, you are pouring gasoline on a fire. Studies show this forces your adrenal glands to overwork. The result? You feel hyper-alert for 30 minutes, but by 2 p.m., you hit a wall. But the damage is not just hormonal, it is also gastrointestinal. Coffee is acidic. Drinking it on an empty stomach stimulates hydrochloric acid. Usually this is good. But when there is no food in your stomach, that acid starts damaging your stomach lining. This is a leading cause of bloating, acid reflux, and IBS symptoms. You think it is the lunch you ate? No, it was the black coffee you drank on an empty stomach 4 hours earlier. So, do you have to quit coffee? Absolutely not. You just need to change the timing. Here is the golden rule backed by neuroscientists. Wait 90 minutes after waking up before consuming caffeine. Why 90 minutes? This allows your natural cortisol levels to rise and fall gently. Once your natural wake-up hormone drops, that is when caffeine acts as a perfect booster. Without the jitters, without the crash. Here is your new morning operating system. 1. Hydrate first with warm water. 2. Add electrolytes like a pinch of salt or lemon. 3. Delay caffeine. Wait that 90 minutes. Try this for just 3 days. By the afternoon, you'll notice the fog in your brain has lifted. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to our Nourish and Heal with Agnes Sterling channel. I'll be back with more scientifically proven protocols. Until then, drink water first.